Well, I think this still brings forward a lot of challenges. We're trying to choose a biomarker, and we're using MRD by flow at the end of induction, but we need to really understand when that should be tested. We need to know how that correlates with event-free and overall survival. We want to make sure that ultimately that's the important endpoint. We need to make sure that we are providing access to a large demographic population. We also need to make sure that the people who are sending samples in really intend to enroll patients on trials, and that we have enough trials available for the patients, and that we have enough patients available for the trials. So those are all challenges that are needed. And logistically, really, this has been over 5 years in the making just to open the first trial, and so it requires a lot of effort and a lot of coordination by a variety of people. So one of the major issues with clinical trial participation is eligibility criteria, and making those eligibility criteria quite strict, and which makes it difficult for people to fit in to the mold. And also the other thing that makes it difficult is if you require a lot of data from the participating sites. And so again, one of the things that we're really trying to do here is limit both the eligibility criteria and the data collection to what's really necessary. We need to make sure that we include what's important, but we also need to make sure that we don't make the burden heavy on either the patient or the investigator site or the clinical researchers who are doing the work, and that will encourage participation in the trial.